Oh my god! Hi, PZ! How the f are you?
Number 403, effective until 10 p.m. The watch includes the following county: Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the
Oh
watched
my
area.
god.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
It's not.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio